Hello folks, this is Clarence Freeman. I posted the other day about the rattling sound coming from my exhaust pipes on my Maserati, 2015 Maserati Ghibli, and I took it to the Maserati dealership and I told them what the problem was. Actually, I videotaped the rattling sound for evidence so they can also hear the evidence, because you know how sometimes when you go to a car dealership or to the doctor's office, your problem doesn't exist during the time you're trying to show the service manager or the doctor. So I actually took a video of the rattling sound so they can actually hear it. And when I took it in for service, I actually let them hear the video, and they saw the video and heard the noise, which they have had problems with some of the Maseratis with that rattling sound. And I'm going to show you the invoice where it says right here, it says a customer states exhaust rattle, and then they have exhaust anti-vibration support, and then you go down to the next line. It says bracket loose found, exhaust bracket and rear loose. Yep, because that's what I videotaped. And customer state service shifter light comes on. So I also had a little problem with my shifter here, and in the dash here, well, which the car is off now, but in the dash here, when I turned the car on, it said service shifter. So I told them about that problem as well. And so they also fixed that problem. It says right here, it says, let me find it for you. Okay, customer state service shifter light comes on. Drive by wire gear shift, remove and install. So I guess there was something within the wires of the gear shift. Okay, and also with the gear selector. So what they did was they gave me another one, auto box control knob, black, diagnostic tester. And so I guess when they tried to fix the original gear shift, it says customer state service shifter light comes on, verified. So they verified it, they scanned it for faults, found faults for shifter module, charged battery full, shifter still shows faults, replace with new. Then they tested it, they did a test drive to the vehicle specifications. So they did a multi-point inspection, and so now everything is good to go. And by the car still being under warranty, you know, still under warranty, manufacturer warranty, my total bill was $0,000. So everything that they did to my car, including the labor, all came to $0. Please pay this amount, 0.00. So I just want to give you guys a update on my Maserati, because if you all are having the same problems, and hopefully you still have some warranty on it, you can take it back to the dealer and start it up for you. See, I like that sound. See there? It says no stored messages. So that means everything is good to go. And have like 31,667 miles on here. So that's good. So I'm still in that manufacturer's warranty guideline, because I'm not over 50,000 miles, and I'm not the 48 month guideline as well. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on that. So if you're having a problem with your Maserati with the rattling sound, take it back to the dealership and they should fix it without any charge to you, as long as you're still on the warranty. Alrighty, and there it is, the Maserati. Okay, take care.